In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find flight deals on Skyscanner 2026. Start by opening your browser and heading to skyscanner.com. Depending on where you are, you might see a local version of the site, and that's perfectly fine. The layout is the same, and the deals are tailored to your region. Once the homepage loads, don't get distracted by the big search box just yet. Instead, scroll down the page. You're looking for a section titled Flight Deals From, followed by your nearest major city or airport. This section aggregates quick, low-fare ideas without you needing to type anything in. When you spot flight deals from, look for the link that says See More Deals and click it. That opens a broader deals page with curated collections designed to help you decide fast. It saves time if you're flexible and just want the best value. At the top, explore the cheapest flights collection. This is where you'll usually find the lowest prices out of your area across upcoming dates and destinations. Scan the cards for total fares and rough travel windows. If something looks great, remember that super low prices can sell out quickly and may come with basic fare rules, so factor in things like baggage and seat selection as you evaluate. Next, open direct flights. This collection highlights non-stop options, which are usually faster and less stressful. Direct flights can cost a bit more than routes with layovers, but they often make up for it with time savings and fewer chances for delays or missed connections. If convenience is your priority, this is a smart place to look. Check out suggested for you as well. These picks are informed by what's popular from your location and seasonal trends. Use it to spark ideas you might not have considered, then compare the prices you see there with what's in the cheapest flights section so you get a feel for what's an exceptional deal versus an average one. For something different, browse underrated destinations. These are places that don't always make the usual top 10 lists, which often means better availability and competitive pricing. If you like discovering new spots and stretching your budget, this can be a sweet spot. Finally, if you're craving sun and sand, open the beach collection. It surfaces coastal getaways with attractive fares. Keep in mind that beach pricing is seasonal. Shoulder months can deliver great weather with fewer crowds and lower prices. That's it. By going to Skyscanner, scrolling to flight deals from, clicking See More Deals, and exploring these collections, you can quickly surface real bargains without endless searching. Happy deal hunting!